At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a vape company business involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand the vaping industry, including trends, target demographics, competition, and regulations. Identify your niche within the market. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. 3. Legal considerations. Research and comply with local, state, and federal regulations regarding the sale and distribution of vaping products. This includes obtaining necessary licenses and permits. 4. Product selection. Decide on the types of vaping products you want to sell, such as e-cigarettes, vape pens, e-liquids, or accessories. Consider the quality, variety, and pricing of your products. 5. Supplier and manufacturer relationships. Find reliable suppliers and manufacturers for your vaping products. Ensure they meet quality standards and regulatory requirements. 6. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Create a marketing strategy to promote your products through online channels, social media, influencers, and possibly brick-and-mortar stores. 7. E-commerce platform. Set up an e-commerce website or online store to sell your products. Ensure it is user-friendly, secure, and optimized for mobile devices. 8. Distribution channels. Determine how you will distribute your products, whether through your own online store, third-party online platforms, retail stores, or a combination of these channels. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Address their concerns promptly and offer assistance when needed. 10. Compliance and safety. Stay updated on regulations related to vaping products, including packaging, labeling, and advertising restrictions. Prioritize product safety and transparency with customers. 11. Financial management. Keep track of your finances, including expenses, sales, and profits. Monitor cash flow and budget wisely to ensure the financial health of your business. 12. Continuous improvement. Stay informed about industry developments, consumer preferences, and emerging trends. Adapt your business strategies accordingly to stay competitive in the market. Starting a vape company requires careful planning, dedication, and adherence to regulations. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can build a successful business in the vaping industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.